Now to House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries. Mr. Leader, your response, first of all, to what the Speaker said there about the President's comments on the enemy within and using American cities to train the military.
Well, good morning, George. It was a deeply disturbing statement that the President made. We need presidential leadership that brings people together as opposed to tearing us apart. And certainly it's the case that not a single American should ever be viewed as the enemy within or potentially as target practice for the American military, which is why the American people have rejected the deployment and occupation of American cities and towns and counties with American military troops. We have the finest military in the world, and they should be used to keep us safe from external enemies.
You also heard the Speaker say that the Democrats want to fund health care for illegal aliens, illegal immigrants, by trying to reverse what was in the President's domestic spending bill earlier this year. Your response?
Donald Trump and Republicans have shut the government down because they don't want to provide health care to working class Americans. Federal law prohibits the use of Medicare, Medicaid, the Children's Health Insurance Program, and the Affordable Care Act to provide health insurance in any way, shape, or form to undocumented immigrants, period, full stop. That's the law, and Democrats aren't trying to change that. What we are trying to do is negotiate a bipartisan agreement that actually brings the two parties together and funds the government in a way that improves the quality of life of the American people.
It doesn't seem like that's going to happen anytime soon. Are you worried the Democrats are going to get blamed for this shutdown and the unity is going to erode? Already, two Democratic senators and Angus King, the independent senator from Maine who votes with the Democrats, already voted with the GOP once.
Well, Democrats are united in our resolve to make sure that we cancel the cuts, lower the costs, and save health care for the American people. We're in the midst of an incredible crisis, a health care crisis that Republicans have caused. Already this year, the largest cut to Medicaid in American history, triggering the possibility of a $536 billion cut to Medicare as a result of the one big ugly bill that Republicans passed if we don't act by the end of the year. In the next few days, more than 20 million Americans are going to experience notices that will indicate that their premiums and copays and deductibles are about to skyrocket, bankrupting many Americans or preventing them from being able to get access to the health care that they need. And in the midst of all of this, Republicans have effectively canceled medical research, and because of the one big ugly bill, we know hospitals and nursing homes and community-based health centers are closing all across America, including many rural communities that Republicans so often represent all across America, and they could care less at the medical and health care crisis that they have caused.
Mr. Leader, thanks for your time this morning.